Ever wondered how Nutella spread is made? This creamy, indulgent blend of hazelnuts, cocoa, and sugar has become a worldwide favorite, enjoyed by millions on toast, in baking, or straight out of the jar. But have you ever thought about how this delicious spread is actually produced? In this video, we'll take you through every step, from sourcing the finest raw materials to the final packaging and shipping process. Every detail is carefully managed to ensure each jar of Nutella offers the same smooth texture and rich flavor that people love. Let's dive into how this iconic spread is made, starting with the sourcing of high-quality ingredients from around the globe. The journey begins with the selection of hazelnuts, which are a key component of the spread. Most of the hazelnuts come from Turkey, the largest producer of these nuts. The climate in Turkey, especially in the Black Sea region, is perfect for growing hazelnuts, known for their rich, buttery flavor and high oil content. After they are harvested, the nuts are thoroughly cleaned and sorted to remove any debris or broken pieces. Quality is crucial at this stage because the flavor of the nuts directly impacts the taste of the final product. Next comes the cocoa, which provides that delicious chocolatey undertone. The cocoa beans used in the spread are sourced from West Africa, particularly Ivory Coast and Ghana. Once harvested, the beans undergo a fermentation process that enhances their deep, rich flavor. After fermentation, the beans are dried and shipped to production facilities. The careful handling of cocoa is important because it's the basis of the product's signature taste. Sugar is another vital ingredient, giving the spread its sweetness. Depending on the location, the sugar is sourced from either sugarcane or sugar beets. In Europe, sugar beets are a common source, while sugarcane is used in more tropical regions like Brazil and Southeast Asia. This sugar is refined to remove impurities, ensuring a smooth consistency and sweet flavor. Palm oil, used to give the spread its creamy texture, is sourced sustainably. It is crucial to select suppliers that follow strict environmental and ethical guidelines to ensure responsible palm oil production. The palm oil is processed and refined to ensure it has a neutral flavor that doesn't interfere with the rich hazelnut and cocoa notes. The skimmed milk powder used in the recipe is sourced from dairy farms that adhere to strict quality standards. The milk is pasteurized and dried to create the powder, which is later rehydrated during the production process. This ingredient adds a creamy, smooth texture and provides balance to the sweetness of the sugar. Once the raw materials arrive at the factory, the first step is cleaning and preparing them for production. The hazelnuts are cleaned thoroughly and roasted to bring out their full flavor. The roasting process is done at a controlled temperature, just enough to enhance the natural oils and taste of the hazelnuts without burning them. Once roasted, the hazelnuts are quickly cooled to stop the roasting process and then ground into a fine paste. This paste becomes one of the base components of the final product. The cocoa beans, once they arrive, are also cleaned and roasted. After roasting, the beans are cracked open, and the shells are removed, leaving behind the cocoa nibs. These nibs are then ground into a thick, rich cocoa mass, which will be blended with the other ingredients to create the chocolate flavor in the spread. The sugar is refined and blended into the mixture, ensuring a consistent sweetness without any graininess. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Once the hazelnut paste, cocoa mass, sugar, and other ingredients are prepared, the mixing process begins. In large industrial mixers, the ingredients are combined in precise quantities to ensure consistency. The process starts by blending the hazelnut paste with cocoa and palm oil. The palm oil plays a key role in creating the smooth texture, as it ensures that the spread remains creamy at room temperature. Once the initial blend is smooth, sugar and rehydrated milk powder are added to create the final product's sweet and creamy taste. This stage is critical, as the exact mixing time and temperature need to be controlled to maintain the right consistency. The mixture is slowly heated to ensure that all the ingredients meld together without overheating, which could alter the flavor. The spread is continuously monitored for quality, with tests conducted at regular intervals to ensure that the taste, texture, and appearance meet the company's high standards. After the main mixing process is complete, the spread undergoes further refining to achieve its signature smoothness. The mixture is passed through refining rollers, which reduce the size of any remaining particles, ensuring that the spread has a silky texture with no grittiness. This refining process can take several hours and requires a delicate balance of pressure to achieve the desired result. Once the spread has been refined to perfection, it is heated again briefly to ensure all the ingredients are fully blended. At this stage, the product undergoes final quality checks, Technicians sample the spread to check for flavor consistency and ensure it meets strict quality control standards. Taste tests, texture assessments, and even chemical tests are carried out to ensure that every jar meets the same high-quality specifications. The next stage is packaging, where the spread is filled into jars. In the factory, the process is highly automated to ensure efficiency and hygiene. Large filling machines pump the spread into jars with precision, filling each jar to the same level. The jars are then sealed with airtight lids to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. The packaging process is designed to handle high volumes, with thousands of jars being filled and sealed each hour. Labels are applied to the jars, providing all the necessary information for consumers, including ingredients, nutritional details, and best before dates. After the jars are sealed, they are packed into boxes for transportation. These boxes are carefully stacked onto pallets and stored in temperature-controlled warehouses until they are ready to be shipped out. The product is shipped to supermarkets and retailers around the world, where it reaches millions of consumers. Nutella is sold in over 160 countries, making it one of the most widely available chocolate spreads in the world. Logistics and distribution play a key role in ensuring that the spread arrives in perfect condition wherever it is sold. Depending on the region and climate, refrigerated transport may be used to ensure that the product maintains its quality during transit. The careful management of storage and transport ensures that the product remains fresh and retains its creamy consistency until it reaches store shelves. Whether enjoyed on toast, in desserts, or straight from the jar, Nutella has become a beloved household staple in many countries. The combination of high-quality ingredients, precise production techniques, and strict quality controls ensures that each jar delivers the rich, creamy experience that people have come to expect. If you enjoyed learning about how Nutella spread is made, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on food production. From the farms where the hazelnuts and cocoa are grown to the factories where the spread is produced, every step in the process is carefully managed to create a product that is enjoyed by millions around the world. The next time you enjoy a spoonful, you'll know exactly what goes into making this beloved spread.